What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Fueled by Passion. Today I'm going to show you a little short video. I know it's been a while since I posted anything and I got this car. This is the special edition 924S 1988, and recently I cleaned the rear locks, the drains, and when I went to reinstall the hatch locks, I had problem adjusting the hatch for it to come open when you turn the key, and also when you hit the button that it would open automatically. So it takes a little bit of time to wiggle and move the locks around. It takes about two people. It takes at least two people to be in the bag, one turning the key and looking down as you're closing the hatch to see where the pins are lining up and the locks are opening and closing. But it can be done. It's a pain in the butt. You got to crawl through here and on the inside and one person on the outside, and you're moving the lock side to side, up and down, until you get on that sweet spot. Like I said, it takes a while, but it can be done. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Turn around here, and maybe I can hold this while I press the button on the hatch, or you can see it from the inside rather. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And there it is. It opens up. So to show you here, these locks have been cleaned, and you take these two screws out, you loosen them up, and you move these from side to side, up and down, until you get them on the sweet spot. And yeah, I've been working on other stuff on this car, so I haven't had time to fix all this dust and crap that's in the back of the car here. I will get to that. You can adjust the cable here if you need to, because of the locks here. Sometimes you got too much wiggle room, so you can adjust the cable here for the motor. And this little plastic piece, I don't know if you can see it right there, keeps the cable from popping out. If you need one of those, you can find them on 924online.com. And as you can see, the motor is a lot cleaner now since I dusted all off, but I still got a lot of dust to do, cleaning to do on this car. But yeah, I finished. Also, to give you guys an update, I'll tell you what, let's go back to the hatch. Let's go back to the hatch here for a second. Let me go ahead and close it. I'm gonna stick the key in it. A lot of people give up on this stuff, but I don't give up. And so I got it to work where, here we go again. We're gonna turn the key and opens right up. Be careful, make sure that these screws are, the bolts are nice and smooth around the edges, that they're not catching. I had to take a nail, not a nail file, but take a file to the top of these to smooth them out. Still got more cleaning to do here, all this dust. I've been busy on the car changing the master cylinder, the master clutch, and the slave cylinder underneath the car. Oop, watch out for that finger. So new master. I cleaned out the reservoir, fresh fluid. The booster works perfectly. I installed the new slave cylinders right there. You can probably barely see it, but it bolts on. Let me see if I can get a close up. Well, you guys know about these cars. If you know where it bolts up. It's hard to see now. Maybe from this angle you can see it right in here. Anyway, so got that installed, and also the slave cylinder on the bottom of the car, and drives perfect, shifts smooth. Put the air box back, mass airflow, everything's back on here. And this thing, the whole system was bled, all the brakes were bled, fresh fluid. So I'm very happy with the results. Got the hatch fixed, and still working on it little by little. This thing's gonna clean up nicely. Under the dash cover. It's a suede dash cover. The dash has some cracks, but I like these better than the hard plastic. And the reflection here, it looks burgundy, but it's actually black. This thing still has the original block punk radio. That's the driver's side. Anyways, I've been busy doing other stuff around the house, so I'll get to it eventually. The 87 924S is at the shop, getting you timing belt, rollers, tensioners, water pump, timing belt, etc., etc. That one has 44,000 miles, one owner, which I'm very proud of, finding that car. But this special edition, once I finish cleaning all up, buffing the paint, I'm going to repaint the wheels myself. May not be the perfect factory color, but it'll be close enough. I'll get the wheels painted, make them look good again. Other than that, it's a rare find to even have one of these special edition 924S's. So, well, that's it for the update for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, support me. I really would appreciate that. Until next time, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna hit the wheels, I'm gonna detail the interior, get to the paint. This car already has a brand new clutch, pressure plate, timing belt, coolant flush. I'm gonna do an oil change on the car, and on the brakes, that's gonna be another episode. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the brakes, rotors, pads, make sure all that's in check, and I'm gonna paint the calipers so it's more presentable. So other than that, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, and keep up the good work. I'll see you next time on Fueled by Passion. Take care.